Amalumbo 23. Psalm 23. Yawe ekachema wandi, ine nshikabila kantunelio kamo. The Lord is my shepherd, I have all that I need. Muni kaya mulemfwe emo anenga ukutusha. Kabili antungulula kumenshi ayatalala tondolo. He lets me rest in green pastures. He leads me beside peaceful streams. Alambwesesha umweo. Alantungulula munshila iyalungama. Pamulandu weshina lyakwe. He renews my strength. He guides me along right paths, bringing honor to his name. Nangu ningapita mumukonko wamfwa uwafita fititi. Tekuti ntine pantu ubanaine. Inkonto yobe nomtambu wobe filanteka umutima. Even when I walk through the darkest valley, I will not be afraid, for you are close beside me. Your rod and your staff protect and comfort me. Ulantebeta pachinso chabalwani bandi. Ulansuba n'amafuta kumutwe. N'ekikombe chandi chaisulapa. You prepare a feast for me in the presence of my enemies. You honor me by anointing my head with oil. My cup overflows with blessings. Chine, ubusuma weka noluse, fyakulankonka munsh kushonse ishabumi wandi. Na munganda ya kwayawe, emonke kalilila penape. Surely your goodness and unfailing love will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will live in the house of the Lord forever.